Today I'm going to show you my daily chainsaw maintenance routine. Stay tuned. So today I'm going to do maintenance on my 500i. I've been running it pretty hard lately because I've been doing forest work for the past month. So she definitely needs that extra love and care. And I'm going to take you through what I do every day. And then of course I've got another routine for monthly or weekly maintenance, just to make sure that my machines keep running nicely. All right. So my everyday routine of course includes filing the chain and the rakers. And then I also blow out this entire cover, and especially the area in here, the area around my chain brake, because I want to make sure that it's not all gunged up and that it's always functional. So clean that with compressed air, and I also clean over here so that I make sure that my chain tension is working and the oil is getting out. And then of course, crucial, make sure that you clean your air filter. And on the 500i, that's really nice and easy. You just pop it out. So as I mentioned, I've been doing forestry work and it's beech trees, so that means really fine dust. And that just stays in here if I don't take care of it. So every day, just give it a nice blow so that you get rid of some of that dust. And I'm going to take you through how I do that in a minute. And then of course on my bar, I make sure to clean the ridge in here, and especially around the oil holes there and there. We want those to be nice and clean. This one is clogged up. And then I also make sure to remove any edges that might be on my bar. So I take those off with So I remove those with a flat file, just to make sure that my cut is nice and even when I'm working. Then I also make sure to clean my fuel and oil caps and the areas around them, because I don't want a lot of things getting into my fuel filter, and I don't want, just in general, don't want gunk inside my saw. So I make sure to clean that as well with compressed air. What you can also do is have a paintbrush on your combi can, so that before you are filling up, just remove most of it so that you don't get that much stuff inside your saw. Pro tip. Last thing, just make sure that you file your saw and take care of the rakers, and your saw is good to go. And now all we've left to do is just put the saw back together, and she's ready for tomorrow. Look it. So pretty. So that was my daily maintenance routine. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and remember to subscribe, and also you can follow me on Instagram at Femalelumberjack and on Facebook at Felixia Bank. See you soon!